Want to earn 56% more than your peers? Yes, you heard it right. Global reports suggest that professionals with AI skills are earning a premium salary of over 56%. Yet, only 1 in 10 workers worldwide actually have those in demand skills. That means 90% of students and professionals are missing out, not only on the higher pay, but even on staying relevant in today's fast changing job market. But here's the good news. In this video, I will show you 5 powerful AI courses that are perfect for beginners starting with their AI journey, available online worldwide, and 100% free, with some even offering optional paid certificates. And here's the twist. The final course on our list could even help you take the first step towards launching your own AI startup. So stick around till the end and let's dive in. Our first course on the list is Simplilearn's Artificial Intelligence for Beginners. If you're a newbie to the world of AI and want to first assess your interest in the field before committing to a more advanced program, this is the course for you. The AI course includes approximately 1 hour of self-paced video lectures and requires no technical background to begin. The curriculum covers AI basics such as what is artificial intelligence, the difference between AI, machine learning and deep learning, real-world applications of AI, and it also introduces learners to key trends in the field and potential career paths. While this course is short, it's strategically structured to help absolute beginners build confidence before pursuing more in-depth training. Once you're ready to go deeper, your next skill should be prompt engineering, the art of crafting precise instructions for AI tools like ChatGPT. This free course, created by DeepLearning.AI and in collaboration with OpenAI, teaches you how to write prompts that get better, more reliable results from large language models. In this course, you will learn how to guide model output, how to design prompts for consistency, and how to integrate prompt techniques into apps. It is a fast, under 2 hours course, and while it doesn't offer a certificate, it's packed with a lot of practical value. It's ideal for developers and tech enthusiasts who want to master GenAI tools. Likewise, our third course in the list, IBM's AI Foundation for Everyone, is a beginner-friendly, free-to-audit course hosted on Coursera. It aims to demystify AI by covering foundational topics such as machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing and computer vision. This course is entirely self-paced and includes short videos, quizzes, and interactive content. Learners can access all materials for free and only pay if they choose to obtain a certificate via Coursera's subscription. I will recommend it to business professionals, project managers, and non-technical learners who work along AIC teams but are not directly involved in programming or algorithm development. It is good for exploring AI concepts and use cases, and of course, IBM's global brand recognition and practical approach make it a valuable starting point. If you are ready to get your hands on machine learning, our next course on the list, Google's Machine Learning Crash Course, is one for you. Originally designed for internal use at Google, it is now publicly available and provides a comprehensive introduction to core machine learning concepts. The course includes 25 plus lessons, 30 plus interactive exercises, and various real-world use case studies. And while it does not award a certificate by default, it offers deep technical insights, and many employers recognize it as a serious learning commitment. I will recommend this course to people who already have basic understanding of Python and high school level maths, those who are looking to gain hands-on machine learning experience. If you are looking to get an understanding of how to build an AI agent, this is the course to refer to. OpenAI's practical guide to build AI agent teaches you how to build AI agent from scratch. Building AI agents is one of the most practical ways to create real-world AI products, and this guide is a goldmine for aspiring founders. In this module, you will understand the basics and science behind AI agents, how AI agents actually work, what tools and models to use to build them, and how to structure instructions and workflows. So all the information needed to start building AI agents from scratch can be referred through this guide. So there you have it, 5 free beginner-friendly AI courses that could change your career, boost your income, and even launch your startup. They're all out there and waiting for you. The only question is, how far are you willing to go to learn? If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends who are curious about AI, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos on AI, tech, and career growth.